Educational Planning, Teacher Rosario Tapia. Program of Study and its Elements. Team members Adrián Vázquez, Alicia de la Vega, Adriana Hinojosa, Víctor Rodríguez, and Carlos Longoria.
Curriculum. It is derived from the Latin expression ratio studium, which roughly means rational organization of studies. Casarini, Glassman, and Ibarrola state that the curriculum and programs are guiding documents that prescribe the purposes, content, and actions that are necessary to carry out by the teacher and his students to develop a curriculum. The curriculum is the instrumental synthesis by which all aspects of a profession that is considered socially and culturally valuable, professionally efficient, are selected, organized, and ordered for teaching purposes. This picture shows the student's graduation profile. It is separated in horizontal and vertical columns. The vertical lecture shows the graduation profile of each one of the levels included in the mandatory education, and the horizontal lecture indicates the gradual development of the educational scope. This table shows the requirements for a planification. Let it be known that they must be clear, specific, precise, and accurate. As we can see, all of the requirements are met in this image.
Identification data. Specific data inputs can include everything from teacher quality to student demographic, while specific data outputs include things like attendance, grades, assessment scores, and graduation rates. Schools use data from parents, students, classroom, and teacher to assess the success of the school, teacher performance, test scores, graduation rates, etc. State and federal systems also use data to make informed choices related to district learning gaps, funding, and overall state needs.
School districts are required to maintain comprehensive longitudinal student databases complete with information including attendance, demographics, mobility, discipline, state test scores, course enrollment, and grades earned. Data systems created by districts are only useful in transforming schools when they provide meaningful data. Stakeholders can use to raise questions, identify issues, and make informed decisions.
Here we have an evaluation record used by English teachers at school. The record gathers important information to evaluate the student's performance, important data that is essential in the student's evaluation. And lastly, we have an activity where data is needed to find out important information about a person. On the second image, students have to choose the correct information or data to fill out the blank spaces.